cloves are one of the most famous spices in the world and have healing properties. In cooking, this plant has the status of a fragrant spice, which in combination with cinnamon, pepper, turmeric and other spices creates a powder called essential spice. It is interesting to know that this plant was so expensive in the past that only the rich and kings were able to buy and use it. Did you know that just eating 2 cloves changes your body's metabolism? To get the answer to this question, stay with us until the end of the video to learn about some of the benefits of cloves that have a significant impact on health. If you are not yet a member of the channel, before watching the video, subscribe to the channel and like the video. 1. Strengthen your immune system by eating cloves. Vitamin C in cloves leads to an increase in white blood cells in the body and eliminates infections, so it can be said that cloves are the best option for strengthening the body's immune system. By using it, the immune system is strengthened and many problems are prevented. 2. Treat your toothache with cloves. One of the benefits of cloves is to relieve toothache. The local anesthetic property inside this plant eliminates the toothache, so just by placing a clove on the tooth that hurts, it reduces the severity of the pain until you visit the dentist. Don't forget to subscribe. 3. Have a healthy liver by using cloves. As you know, body toxins and also the metabolism of the drugs you take are eliminated and controlled by the liver. In the meantime, the presence of a substance called eugenol in clove oil makes the liver function significantly better and faster, so by eating and using cloves, increase the efficiency of your liver. 4. Cloves are a rich source of antioxidants. One of the most important food sources of polyphenols is cloves. Polyphenols are the same nutrients that are absorbed when eating plants, and lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, improving the functionality of arteries, and increasing lifespan are among the benefits it has. 5. Regulation of blood sugar with cloves. One of the interesting features of cloves is that it acts as insulin and is very useful for people with diabetes because it has the property of removing excess sugar from the blood as far as its level is concerned. Bring it to balance and bring it under control. 6. Ensure the health of joints and bones by eating cloves. The health of joints and bones is guaranteed due to the presence of certain elements called flavonoids in cloves, because the density of bones is increased with these substances and in addition to creating bone tissue, the transfer of healthy minerals to the bones is done correctly. To support us, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Needless to say, the use of powdered cloves and honey is the most effective way to treat digestive problems.